certainly enjoy the taste of it. Hi guys! We recently got gifted this Nespresso Lattissima Touch machine. Yay! Coffee! And now it's time to unbox it in front of you. Okay, let's go. Okay, what do we have so far? We've got a cord. We've got a box thingy. We've got something else there. Yay! Manuals! Woo! Whoa! Wow! It's white! It matches my pink hair! Okay, so this is where your water goes, and it's got a really fast heat up. I believe it's only 12 seconds. Yay! This one is where the milk stays. Basically, this is a 2-in-1 coffee machine. It does the milk and it does the coffee and it mixes it all together, and then you drink away. Woo! I love coffee. Woo! Oh my god! It fits! Okay, so I just want to tell you, Nespresso are super expensive for their coffee pods. They're like £100 for one. And it's like, well, I'm not going to spend that much money. I got this for free. So I did my due diligence, I did my research, and I went to my local supermarket and found 2 products that are compatible with an espresso machine for a fraction of the price.
So we've got Lavazza, we've got Latoria, and we've got Law, and we've got Moccona. Which one do I buy? Now, I know that these guys are compatible with an espresso machine and they are a fraction of the price. As you will see, there are different strengths. So for example, espresso, if you fancy an espresso, that is quite a strong coffee, which is number 9. This word here, ristretto, do you know what that means? Okay, so you have an espresso. An espresso is essentially a shot of coffee in water. This one is also a shot of coffee in water, but with half the amount of water that I use for an espresso. So basically it's like a proper concentrated shot of coffee.
And as you can see, I've got 2 different types, Colombia and Estremo. So I can taste both sides of the world at the same time. Now, I'm going to show you how to fill up the water. As you'll see, there is a blue safety tape that you need to remove. Take out the compartment, like so, and you fill it all the way up to where it says max. Then, once it's filled up, you close the lid and take it back to your coffee machine. And you slide it right in. Oops, there you go. Alright. Now that that's done, shall we plug it in? Okay, I'm going to carry it over to my plug area and I'm going to show you just exactly how prima donna this Nespresso machine Lattissima Touch will work. Let's go together.
That's nice, an Italian accent.
Si, signore, because it is made in Italy and I got married in Italy. Allons-y, let's go. You now must talk in Italiano because you now have an espresso machine. So, in order to put the milk inside, you must give it a quick rinse. So, to clean up, you press the button and you open. Allora, so now we must facilitate the machine and put it back together again. So, we put the top on like so. And you must clip it back into place. Clip, like so. And then we put it by la macchina. Now, clip. Now, as you maybe you can see, there is a different settings for la forma de la milk. We can do a no foamy or we can do super foamy. This button is a cleaning button. The great thing about this machine, Nespresso Lattissima Touch, is that it will self-clean itself. It regulates itself every time you feel it is dirty. And now we must plug it in. Now the machine is plugged in, we must turn it on. And here is the on button. Are you ready? Okay, ready? And as you will see, the lights will light up and they flash, flash, flash. And then what will happen is it takes some time for it to heat up. Allora, so now that you have up and ready your setup for your Nespresso Lattissima Touch, it is time now to insert the capsule of your choice. Okay, so today I'm going to go for the Colombia because I like a bit of Colombia fragrance. And this one you will notice it is intensity 8. It is complex, tangy, and mystical. Lore. It's like a love. Now pay attention. This part is very important. Once you will open up your coffee capsules, you will notice they come in a tray of 10. Select one capsule and open up the lid for the Nespresso Lattissima Touch. Now it's the moment of truth to see whether this is truly compatible with your Nespresso machine. Okay, you drop it inside, you close the lid, and now what will happen is the water will percolate through the coffee grounds. It will come down in a sensual smell, and you will smell the exotic taste of Colombia filling up your house, and then you'll have a dash of milk frothing away on the surface of your cappuccino, and you will take it and you will enjoy it. Okay. Now that I got your tantalizing taste buds ready, it is time to press the button. Now, you will notice that there are several options here. I do believe that this is the cappuccino. There is a cappuccino option. There is a latte option. There is a lungo option, which is basically a long espresso. There is the espresso option, which is 1 or 2 shots of coffee. And there is the ristretto option, which is an espresso, but with half the amount of water. So if you're looking for that big kick in the morning of your coffee, be sure to press the ristretto option. But for me personally, I would like a cappuccino, a very foamy cappuccino. So I will change my setting to foamy, and I will hit the cappuccino option on my Nespresso Lattissima Touch, which is this one here. Let's see what happens. Now you will notice that the cup size is quite a small one, so you can press the button again and you will get double amount. Okay, let's do it. And then you will clean hands. Allora, now that your Nespresso Lattissima Touch has given you the perfect sense of an aroma from Colombia, it is now time to extract your cappuccino and to dispose of the pod. Bellissimo. Ay, 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 it takes me back to the road of Colombia where I grew up. What you do is you lift it up and then automatically the pod will fall into the bucket. Pod has gone, and now when you want to remove your pod and dispose of it, you simply pull out this and you see your pod is there. However, it is now time for me to sit back, relax, and enjoy the tastes of Colombia. It is so foamy. It is like I'm in a restaurant. I like it better than a Starbucks, maybe a Cafe Nero, and it is foamy top and tastes nice.
Is it too hot?
I would certainly say it is not the best idea if you have a sensitive tongue to drink this straight away. like any hot cappuccino or any hot coffee, give it a minute or two to calm down and to cool down as well. You will certainly enjoy the taste of it more. Now, my husband, my darling husband, would like his own cappuccino.
Mamma mia, that is not how to make the coffee. To make the coffee, you get the cup, you put the sweetener inside, and then you put the cup here, and then you get the cappuccino cup like this, and then you put it like this, and you close it like this. And then, once you've done that, mamma mia, what will my mama say? You press the cappuccino button and you set it away. We're having fun with this machine, honestly. You can reprogram the cup size, but you need to hold down for 3 seconds and play around with it. So I'm just going to do the 2-button press that was demonstrated by my lovely Colombiana assistant. I'll be honest with you, it looks pretty beautiful. Like, I know it's just new, that's why we like it, but it looks nice. It looks nice, and if it works, I'll be very happy with this. Like, so far it's working. I love that it's mixing the milk. I love that it's just doing everything all together. I don't need to make my own cup of coffee. But after this, we're gonna try the cleaning cycle and let's see how it goes. This is done. So what I need now is I need a cup. I'm just gonna get this big one. It just about fits, so you can actually use a large cup. I guess this one you press 3 times. I'm going to press the clean cycle. So there's a button here called clean. Why is there a red light? So to clean, you hold this button, you keep it held down until the yellow light disappears. Once it disappears, you find some crap in your cup, empty cup, you cup like this. And it's a clean and you're happy and you go like this and the ball cups will go on and the machine will auto turn off in 30 seconds. I'll give you an update on how it lasts over the week because first impressions are, yeah, I like it. It's nice. Oh, the taste test, my friends. And the milk's very frothy. It tastes nice. It tastes nice. It actually tastes nice. Yeah, it tastes nice, you know. It's very, very creamy. This is so much nicer than instant coffee. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's alright. It's alright. Mamma mia, be proud of me. I know you too, Italianos, think this tastes like a piece of water, but to me this a piece of water tastes better than an instant piece of water, so I'm very happy.
I think I'm going to drink this every single day, and I think it needs a bit of sweetener, but I love the foaminess. I love the texture of the coffee. I love the fact that it's just so simple. You just go beep and it's done. I don't have to heat up the water. I don't have to mix up the milk myself, make it frothy. This is so, so, so convenient. Oh, thank you to the people that gifted it to us. Now, when you're not using your Nespresso Lattissima Touch, make sure you detach the milk and keep it in the fridge. It's easy. And now you're ready for coffee in the morning. Good night, Mr. Lattissima. I love you. This episode was sponsored by This Is Me. Guys, you have to download this. This girl is awesome. She's up and coming. She's straight from New York, Broadway, and she's got a fantastic voice. Her name is Kieran Cheesebro. You can't forget that name. Alrighty, it's time to go back to my former self.
You know, it's so much hotter.